1, go!
All right, we are underway here in autonomous match number 42. Looks like we have all 6 robots off and moving. 2 Qual scored, now 3 Qual scored by the Blue Alliance. 2 of them courtesy of 32-5, giving it a 4-3-2 at the buzzer. As the Blue Alliance is going to start off with a 37-9 lead as drivers take control of their robots. Red Alliance starting to go to work here. 36-47, we'll see what kind of role they play. Sometimes they play defense, sometimes they play offense. Looks like this match they've decided defense is the way. They're laying punishing hits on robots all weekend long so far, and they just head over trying to block off the Blue Alliance from the feeder station. A lot of these robots using those feeder stations to acquire Qual. And there goes 36-47 again, slamming into SuperNURDs. SuperNURDs having a Qual trap in their robot. At the same time as they possess one in their grabber. 56-29, Blue Alliance in the lead now. As SuperNURDs continue to get harassed by the Millennium Falcons. But here comes Team Optix, 37-49. Starting to play some counter defense, trying to free up SuperNURDs and allow SuperNURDs a little bit more freedom. And there they go. Here goes Millennium Falcons, chasing them around the reef, playing defense on SuperNURDs up there against the feeder. Just over a minute left to go, and it's a 77-43 lead for our Blue Alliance. Very surprising, our Red Alliance slowly creeping up. Blue with lots of algae up in their net. It's 85-49 now with under a minute left to go. Blue Alliance still has not done their part of the competition. There goes 32-55 beached on an algae. As Team Optix try to free them, but it potentially caused 32-55 to tip. Very precarious position right now for our Blue Alliance robots. 40-point lead for Blue right now, 91-51, 30 seconds left. Blue Alliance trying to clear some algae off of that reef, and there goes 32-55 with SuperNURDs. Looks like they are possibly free. Now they're free. Just in time for our end game portion. See if our Blue Alliance can get another ranking point here. All we need is 1 robot off the ground. Is 68-85 is parked right now. SuperNURDs are off the ground. 6 seconds left to go. We have 1 red robot off the ground and 1 parked. We'll see here.